School is out and we're still learning. Today I'll be sharing with you a nice challenge that you can do with your kids over the summer to increase their math skills. For this project, you're going to need some foam dry erase blocks. You can use a dry erase marker or you can use a Sharpie. We want these permanent. If you would like to make it that you can erase and do something else with these blocks in the future, you can use a dry erase. Also, just for the challenge, depending on the age of the child, you can use a sand timer. So that will be optional, like I say, based on the age of your child. So what we're going to do with these blocks, we're going to write numbers on each side of the block. Since there are 6 circles on each block, we're going to do 1 through 6 on one and then 7 through 12 on the other. And we're going to do 2 sets. We're going to do it for the reds. So we're going to do 1 through 6, 1 through 6, 7 through 12, 7 through 12. Okay, so I'm going to begin to write my numbers on each block. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the next block, we're going to do 7 through 12. Okay, now we're going to do the same with the other 1 through 6 and 7 through 12. Okay, so the last block, I have a yellow block, and they do have multiple colors, and I wanted a different color block. With this block, what we're going to write is addition, subtraction, multiplication, If you have any more equations you want to add, depending on like what grade your child is, you can add those as well. If you have younger children, you would just want to probably add the addition and subtraction. And as their math skills increase, you will add more symbols. Now the timer comes in handy because depending on the age of the child, they may need scratch paper to do this challenge. It also challenges them to increase their math skills. So if depending on the age of the child, when they roll the dice, you can set the timer, and then like I say, they can have a scratch pad. The older the child, they won't need a timer. They can just do it, from their head, from memorization and how they've learned their timetables or whichever equation that comes up when they roll the block. So now what your child would do, depending, they're just going to get 2 of the blocks.
Subtraction.
Now she rolls the blocks one at a time. 9 minus 4.
5.
Okay, go again. So that's how you play the game. So I hope this gave you some ideas on some challenges you can do with your kids over the summer to continue learning. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. This is Nicole with Helpmamaremote.com. Bye-bye.